Today I'm standing in University campus of CUHP and Eklavya system is now repeating again. Students are there with me with lot of pressure in their mind and with lot of stress in their mind, but it's the time to prove them a lot. Let's start with Indu. She's a student of MA English. Indu, tell us that is the curriculum which you are following in this university campus is well fitted and you are happy with the curriculum and curriculum is good. Yes.
I'm satisfied and happy with the curriculum and environment of the university. University has very good environment for study. There are regular classes and our teachers, our faculty members are very hardworking, and we are getting enough time to study, and the atmosphere of university full of silence, so I'm not feeling any difficulty in studying. And now it is a time for preparation of end term examination, so everybody is stressed, everybody is worried about examination, that there is exam stress. I am preparing for this end term examination.
So basically you are happy with the curriculum?
I'm happy with
it and well maintained.
Yes, I'm happy with it.
Okay. Next moving to Niveta, and Niveta, Indu told us that she is very much confined with the CUHP curriculum activities. Now, I would like to ask, the curriculum is well settled, she's very much, but everybody has his or her thinking. So according to you, are you satisfied with the statement?
I'm also satisfied with it.
Pawan, my question to you is that the curriculum is good and students are, as you have seen, that they are very much happy. The thing is that would you like to change something like practical work should be more focused, as nowadays you people can see that practical work is not focused in university campus and all that things which are related to education institutes. Practical work is given less importance than the our theoretical work, and when the exam portion will come, the students are happy and teachers too, because our more stress is on theory. But when we come out of our university campus, the question arises almost every time that does the practical work happens or does it not happens. Now move to Pawan, who will tell us that practical work has importance and did it happen, and it take, or it, even if it has happened, it wants more time or not.
Yeah, as they both said, rightly said that there is we are reading only theoretical works, but there should be practical works also that leads to success. And there are you seems that there are students of different departments are going to libraries or sitting behind the university and in front of the university. You can see that there are so many students who are preparing themselves for end-term examination, which is going to be held on 8th of December 2014, and that is the point. That practical work should be there, because if we will study only text, that will not help us to improve further. That's
Okay. My question is that you said that text will not be helpful only, and we should be more practical. Thing is that if text is not helpful, and thinking should be built up. So is your university is making that effort, that it is going beyond text or not?
Yeah, universities, I am not saying that university not making efforts towards students, but we are thinking that there is more need of practical work, because if we will do practical, that will remain forever.
While talking to CUHP students of literature background, some are hesitated to talk and some are extremely excited to impose their ideas. Some are extremely excited to impose their ideas on the issues of literature. Literature, as history reveals, needs a lot of focus, a lot of attention on ideas, on individuality, and a sense of revolution should become out. So, I reached to the conclusion that university should include
programs like debate, declamation, extempos and a number of programs which can help to develop a personality of a literature-based students. With camera person Mamta Richa Rana, Central News, Dharamshala.